Okay, we've got Fabulae 53.6. This is the end of the 12 labors here. And so, contrary to the opinion of all, those 12 labors which Pythia, in other words the oracle, had ordered within 12 years were completed. Okay, so we've got a perfect, passive, indicative here. Confecti sunt. And the funny thing about perfect passive indicative, you can always look at the ending and the verb to be here. You know that the subject has to be plural, of course, and it has to be masculine because of the confecti. And so that's going to go back to the illi labores, those labors. That's masculine and plural. So that's the subject. And with passives, the action is actually inflicted upon the subject. Those labors were completed. By whom? By Hercules. And you can switch that around. Hercules completed the labors. So you can either say Hercules acted upon labores, which would be accusative, or labores, as the subject, was acted upon a Hercule. Okay, by Hercules. All right? You can do it either way. This is the active, this is the passive. And they've chosen to do it with the passive here. Since these things were so, and this is another flip-flop, all right? The cum should be over here. And in this case, we're going to translate it since, as I said. We got an imperfect subjunctive there. Hercules, finally, having been liberated, perfect passive participle, yes, modifying Hercules, this makes a little bracket here. Liberated from servitude, that's ablative of separation, which makes sense. From servitude. Notice no preposition there. He returned to Thebes. I'm going to talk about this in a sec. Magno cum gaudio. Well, that's just like magna cum laude, right? So this is with great zeal, with great joy. And what's happening here, of course, this is another flip-flop. What's happening here is this is an ablative of manner. Ablatives of manner answer the question, how? How did it happen? With great joy. PPV, that's modifying Hercules there. Hercules is the subject of rediit, to return. And Thebos, okay, this, accusative, plural, no preposition. He returned to Thebes. That's how I translated it, because with, ready for this rule? Okay, brace yourself. With the names of cities, towns, small islands, the noun domus and the noun rus, you don't have to use prepositions to show direction or location. So there you go. Wonderful rule.